Stop wasting hours manually posting to Facebook groups today. I'll show you how to automate your entire workflow and scale your marketing in just a few clicks. Welcome back. This is the interface of our automation tool, a powerful solution designed to manage multiple accounts and automate your outreach effortlessly. First, let's set up your assets in the account management section. You can securely import and manage hundreds of Facebook profiles at the same time. Next, we move to content management. Here, you can prepare diverse posts with text, images, or videos. The more variations you use, the more natural your activity will appear. Now, let's configure the post. Select Group Post, choose your accounts, and pick your target groups. Pro tip, set the delay interval between 30 to 60 seconds to keep your account safe. And avoid spam filters. Everything is ready, just hit start. The software will automatically log in and begin publishing your content. You can monitor the entire process in real time right on your screen. This professional setup is designed to triple your productivity and scale your business to the moon automatically. Simple, fast, and highly effective if you want to take your marketing to the next level. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. This professional setup is designed to triple your productivity and scale your business to the moon automatically. Ready to dominate the feed? Contact our expert team at 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐶𝐈𝐍𝐶 or WhatsApp 8 for 376-119-126 for a full setup.